we got a call from Capital Ford that let us know that they have diagnosed the problem as a bad body control module. They've ordered a replacement and they need the other key for the rig because they're going to have to reprogram them both. So more to follow. They've ordered one for us. It's going to be very expensive, unfortunately, but they should have it in tomorrow and have Gumby back to us by late tomorrow afternoon. House batteries are at 80%, keeping the refrigerator cold while on propane. Pretty thrilled with that. So our 2 lithium batteries are doing a good job there. We'll let you know as things finish up.
Here comes the train. We get to ride it. We go get Gumby. Brad and I have always loved trains, and we've actually ridden the light rail before. It really worked out that there was a train stop not even a block away from Capital Ford.
There's your old
Here's the part.
PCM.
Awesome.
In there, okay.
I pay here?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Okay, so we just picked up Gumby from the dealership. She appears to be working just fine with brake lights. And we are on the north side of Charlotte, and we have to go back down to South Carolina where we have been staying. And we're trying to beat the rush hour traffic. It's about 4:30.
Okay, so we've got Gumby back from the dealer. Everything seems to be working. Unfortunately, Ford would not help us with this, even though we only have 14,450 miles on it. Lazy Days had assured me that the balance of the factory warranty was intact, which apparently it is not. We've only had the rig since December. It had 8,800 miles on it when we bought it, so we put 7,000 miles on it. For those of you who have never seen a body control module, this is it right here. And this little box controls everything inside the rig. The windows, the key, the ignition, the taillights, the radio. Everything inside there is controlled by this little box. So this little box was $1,168 out of our pocket and our emergency contingency fund. We've only been 900 miles. I certainly hope we don't have any more issues like this one. Capital Ford, however, was amazing. And a big thank you to Paul and to Steve in service, who got the rig in quickly, got it diagnosed quickly, and got it repaired quickly so we could get back on the road. All right, guys, hope you like this. Feel free to comment, and don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, so we were about to do our celebratory dance because everything came back from Ford fine. We plugged it in and the batteries were not charging. So we're not sure what that means.